Johnny's machine, my machine. Parang nauta iske kaya parang dah pas ni kita le nauta pa jadi.
Cheers, everyone! When they go out, they don't see who's elder, who's younger. They will just talk the way how they want to. They be very blunt, which is good to be blunt, but they have to know how to talk to which person and what am I talking to them. So friends, we have just come from the, what do you say that? From the St. Anne's party. It's what time now? 1 o'clock. We came home 12, just changed ourselves, had a shower. Now, back again in the kitchen because tomorrow is Sunday and we have our relatives and friends coming over. So John and we will not have enough of time by tomorrow morning. So we decided to do it now. So yeah, Nadia.
Few of the things.
Yeah, half of the things. So I'll show you what we are doing. That's chicken getting ready. Vindaloo is already cooked now. That's something new that Nadia has brought up. She's making a filling for the forminas. So usually for the forminas you have with those mayonnaise and vegetable. So she has come with an idea of making with bacon and all those like a chili kind of a thing, like like dry mix of all vegetables. So that's going to be interesting. So friends, see at this bacon filling chili. So this is going to be the filling for the forminas that Nadia has made. That tastes really good. It has cheese in there, some bacon and her own thing that she has used. Very, very nice. I tasted it. Looks really nice. And this is the chicken. I'm just waiting the gravy to get dry and thicker. And it's also ready here now. Yeah, the feast, the event, the function was very nice, isn't it?
Amazing.
It was very nice. I enjoyed it very much.
It was our first time, but it was really nice. Really nice.
Really nice. We were really blessed. We saw so much of our parishioners and so much of love to see from them for us as well. It was really nice.
They were appreciating our YouTube channel as well. We did not expect that, but thank you so much.
Every single person has really said good and positive thing about us.
Angel, she enjoys so much.
Angel met friends over there. She met one of her friends which she had met before, I think so. You see pigeons coming and having the bird food over here. We got some bird feed I put over there. You guys haven't seen before. It's so nice they come and eat. My Bori Hakor Chapili Jaili Naughty girl Kor My Oh my I love you Kor My love you Kor My love you Kor Angel Akor di Angel di Angel
My happy feast. Oh, it's done. Kashai. To jail. Very good.
Bagi mo tanak magne, unol monti, bagi mo tanak, paulo matale, tusure kotele, ane opatra, sa kolle laso, mo kotele, mai, moja vignacha kara, chepon, tuja, shaya potaya. Saduna, Gaimari Mogachi. Oh my, yo my, Geamta Tuja Slopa.
You see my friends are coming here now for the feast. And this is Marco. How are you, Marco?
Good.
Happy feast.
Thank you.
And
Happy feast.
Amora.
How are you?
Hello. You look like a nice.
How are you, man?
Hey.
You say hello, man.
Hello.
How are you? Good.
Arey, she beer big very happy fish. Happy fish. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Zico. Hello, Amanda and Zico.
Hi, Angel. How are you?
Hi, good.
After a long time.
So guys, she's Tangia She's one of our relatives, Mama's cousin, but very youngest cousin. So don't take it in that way like she's cousin. She can be my cousin as well. So we know each other from very childhood, and I'm very happy she's come for fish. She's come from Greenford all the way from London. So Tanzia, thank you. Ela monatu. John bari jada sampad mo. John bari.
John बरे झालं. Thank you.
So and let's say dogs and lapit again. Ekla me pe ekla. Dogi oh कौन दादा तो कॉपी और दिसता मागार पर इनको वो दादा तो बहुत आधार को so guys I'm telling you what yeah this sounds very good and it's very nice when families relatives they come. He's a kid like you know Tensia has been like my cousin for me, yeah, like though she's mama's cousin but she's like my cousin for me. So we know each other from kids, and being in London with the busy time, they still made a time to come over here. He knows me now. He knows my family. You know, the respect that we will get from these kids back again for us, it's something else. So really I appreciate that. So it is always nice to take or go and visit your family. You go to your family to visit, take the kids around, show them your family. So honestly, it is very nice. And he was a kid, he looks like his dad anyway. So friends, she is Jwani Mashan, my Mashan. If you don't know about her, she is my mom's cousin, Tanzia's sister. And honestly, besides, I've told you all before also in one of my videos, like, it feels good when you go to people's house, like your relatives come. Mashan was the one who used to come when we used to kids in Ponda, she used to come. And when she used to come, we used to feel very happy because she's opposite there. Like, you know, those days were like the best days, like, you know, to be said. And what the best thing, Masha, thank you to that time of and yeah, that's another one. Take it, Chodo. She's here. So, Benzia. So, again, as a set an example of these kids, very nice, Belgia, very good kids. I really appreciate their behaviors. So, Masha, thank you.
Welcome.
Festa ele padaano.
To काय thank you.
आणि परत नव्हतं इसके परत 10-5 मिनिट झाले So friends, he is Jwani Mashan's son, Varul. Varul sarke, oi. And honestly to be said, in today's day, kids when they grow up in London, it is very much, what do you say? Some of the kids, they don't be on a very good path or they lose their path, they lose their morals. A true example is he that needs to be understood because he has kept a very good name for the family. He, by the way, he's a very good composer and makes songs as well. He's got his own channel. Now he's a Varel D'Souza. He's got a YouTube channel, Varel D'Souza. He composes songs and Saudi Qatar mein kona purpose hai, birthday songs, wedding toast or anything. Go to his YouTube, send a request. He will compose a song for you all. So you all can make one of those for you. And as I said, like, you know, keeping the morals and the spirit up of the family. Very nice, very humble person, always helpful, same like his mom and his dad. And I really appreciate him, and I really think like every child should follow his footsteps. This I can tell. So my YouTube family, this is all my friends and family over here for the St. Anne's Feast. We are celebrating St. Anne's Feast, and Malito and their family, my sister, my colleague, they are here, and it is a joyful moment. I don't know why Rachel is feeling so laughing, but she's always into a joke mood. It's just because of the Malito. I've got a mic. So yes, it is very nice. As I've said before, it is always nice to see family and friends coming here. As a childhood, as I've said it before, I always remembered me going to a relative's place or people coming to our house and having this kind of a joy together. And today I'm very thankful for everyone, you all coming over here and making it special. They drove from far away, London, Swindon, close by, my neighbor, everyone, my Mashanke, my sister is here, my friends, they've come, Zico is here. Thank you everyone for coming and making it. May the Mother Mary bless everyone with all her blessings and all their wishes to come true. So this is, we are going to pop out champagne or sparkling wine, I will say it is. Yeah? Yeah? No, don't worry. I'm not going to pop it. I'm not going to waste it a single drip also about it. As I said, don't forget our cheers. Cheers, everyone. Happy feast. So here, I have my colleague over here with me. Thanks for coming. God bless you. The colleague turned to be a friend now. I'm very blessed and very nice. Thank you for coming, for showing so much love for me, my family, my kids. And your presence was really important because you made us feel really special. So you have any message for the people who celebrate this feast around our Ponda parishioners, whatever you want to say? Anything.
Everyone from people from Ponda. Thank you, Kashli, for having us here. We really enjoyed the food, enjoyed the company of you folks, and hope to see you next year again.
Surely we will. Elrina, you got to say something?
Happy feast to everybody. Thank you again for having us, and the food was really nice. Finally, I got to eat your food, like the whole meal. It was really nice. And kudos to Shir Kurma, that's my favorite, and he also. And Nadia did a good job with Shir Kurma.
Okay, thank you.
Happy feast, everyone.
So, Zico, Amanda, thank you for coming. It's very nice having you all. Do you want to have any message to give out?
Happy feast, everyone.
Happy feast.
We've been really blessed to be invited for Cashly's, of course, a small hosted party, but hosted really, really well. I think it's been a pleasure driving all the miles over here, and it's been blissful. And what about the kids? You're like,
I love the sandwiches.
You like the sandwiches?
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy feast.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Cashly and K2N family. Thank you for having us. I have a memory about this feast, so thank you for calling us over for this feast. When we used to be young kids, my grandma used to take me to church for the special mass, and we used to go and collect flowers all the way to the church to put flowers for the main time during the mass. So I really miss my grandma and also my other grandma from Carmona, and my grandparents. I hope their soul rests in peace. Thank you for having us. Yeah, we're having a good time.
Thank you, Kashli and Nadia and babies, for having us over. It really means a lot. Happy feast, guys.
So, hello, friends, again, and here we are with the part 2 of this vlog. This vlog, we could not get it at the same time when we had done the part 1 because it would be really long. Because you probably have seen by now the vlog how it was. It was really amazing. The first part, what we did it like going to the church, how it was our community committee of Ponda. They had conducted all that dine and dance and all stuff. So we enjoyed. We showed that part of that. The second part, because we did it on the next day. Because what happened was, the mass was on Saturday in the afternoon, and in the evening was the dine and dance. I wanted to call our guest on Saturday, but thinking that if they would come on that day, we will not be able to participate for the dine and dance. So because if the guests are at home, you can't leave them. Even if some of them would like to go for dine and dance, some of them would not. And that's the reason what we thought of, like, we will make it on Sunday. Sunday we'll celebrate with family. Saturday we'll give a time for the feast that everyone.
In afternoon it looks like a feast.
Yeah, in afternoon it looks like proper. You're preparing everything. You might have seen, like, we started early in the morning after coming for the party. We started cooking. Half of the things were done.
Around
3 o'clock, 3:30 something. Yeah, 3:30 we went to half of the things we done that day. The next day, because what happens is it doesn't look nice when your guests are at home and you're in the kitchen. You're in the kitchen and they are sitting and just waiting for you. But we had a good time. Actually, we were all on spot on. We cooked right on time. Everything was ready. And guests came. We had some of our relatives, some of my friends coming to. My sister came. This is what it is. It's very nice. As I've said before also, it feels really good when you have people coming to your place and it looks like a feast. Before, we lived in a studio, so we did not really feel like we had to make that celebration, like, how to celebrate, call people. But now that we live in a house, so it feels like, okay, we have space, we can call, but it's not really that big. that we could accommodate everyone, but God will have His grace on us, and one day we'll have a bigger than what we have today. And definitely, probably we will try to invite more of people to our place. And honestly, it's very nice. You know, whoever came for the feast, thank you first of all, because it is not easy. People drew from far away, getting your time off, coming all the way and showing your love and for us, and mostly wanted to celebrate as a family. It's more important. That's what I say. Like one of my message that I was talking, Tenzia, when she brought her kids, their kids would not know us until if she would have not come or she would have not introduced to us.
Yes.
And they are very comfortable in talking to us now because they know us very well. Yeah, they involve their kids. So that is what I'm saying. Guys, it's always nice to go to families and your friends' places who you really feel family as friend of yours, because there where you build up those things. Your kids get to understand it. Remember when we were a kid in a village where we live. So anytime that we go and we pass by, anything would happen, our neighbors would know us. They would pass the message before even we would reach home.
Yeah.
So our neighbor, it was important very much that, okay, nothing that we will do in our village will be like Saath Burige, Bor Burige. I mean, anyways, we were good only, but that naughtiness as a kid, we never wanted to do that, because if being naughty, wow, to uncle and auntie mommy sangtali. So that will be the
Because
fear.
everyone knew each other.
Yeah. What happens in here is very rarely people know each other. Hardly people. At least here I know some of my neighbors and all. But back in London, hardly we know even our neighbor. We don't even know, because that's nothing to do with your neighbor. They are busy in their world. You are busy in your world. You don't even know. You just call your friends from far away, which is, I tell you what, I really don't like that kind of lifestyle. We prefer to have people to know us. We like to know people, so that when we go, we say hello. Our kids are there, and then our kids also be in that, oh, that's Mama's friend, that's Sarah's friend. Okay. Yeah. They have that fear of elders also. They're just okay. Otherwise, what happens when you don't show love? They don't have that respect for elders. When they go out, they don't see who's elder, who's younger. They will just talk the way how they want to. They be very blunt, which is good to be blunt, but they have to know how to talk to which person and what am I talking to that. So that's why it's very important to involve. Feast was one reason that we came.
Thank you everyone who came to our place, taking your own time. I know your friend Malito, he was working and then
yes,
it's time.
Malito, he was working that day and he really took a time. Malito, thank you if you're watching this. Thank you, because he was working that day. He took a time for himself, and then he said, he still, after his work, he still came. He finished his work in the afternoon and he drew. And then he had to go back again. Next day he has to work again, and with the kids. It is really, we feel very fortunate, very happy about having friends and families like this around. We are blessed, and that's one thing really I will tell you guys, involve yourself with everyone, get your family together. If we try our best, we try our best to get our families, our friends to invite. If somebody can't make it, what can we say about that? It's an individual choice. We try our best to do it. Everyone is busy in life. Everyone has things in life, but there is always a time. If we don't have time for our family and friends, then we are just living individual life for ourselves. So we need this family and friends. At least we need very much. We are very people's people. So that is what we need. So a lot of you guys have sent your wishes, sentence wishes on our previous video, wishing us happy feast. And a lot of love and you all have shown for us. So guys, thank you so much for showing so much of love and sending so much of wishes. I pray to Saint Anne and our Lord Jesus to bless you and your family as well. The same way how you send your blessing to us. Even the people who are watching us, bless you all, because you guys are taking time to watch our vlogs and giving us that watch time, and to reach us to a certain goal. But thank you for that. And as what I've said in my previous vlog, the last vlog, what I've said. So this year, we did not know much, that, as I said, it was the first time that being for the Dine and Dance, Saint Anne's Mass, that happened. Now that we know how it has been done, what has been done, how it is happening, it's really nice. And I'm honestly telling you guys, I've said it before and I'm saying it again. I will be very happy to a lot of my viewers, my subscribers, if they will come for this feast. Yeah, we will be overjoyful.
Before that, we'll be anyways doing vlogs.
We will be
Let
doing
you know
vlogs.
when it is.
Yeah, we will let you know for the next year before. I'm letting you all know now only so that you'll be prepared. Okay, K2N family has told us that we have to go. We'll keep this day aside. July the 26th, right?
July the 26th.
July the 26th is going to be a weekend. So I will definitely let you all know about this, and I will love you all to be there. It will be a really good blessing and a great support for us as well. And if you come there and you say, oh, K2N family, you know what, Ashley, Nadia, we watch your vlog, and because of that, because you said we really come over there, I will be like, okay, guys, see my committee members, my YouTube family is here with me. So yes, that's why we're going to put this on forward for y'all by when the time comes. Yeah, the nearly days come of the feast. But thank you. Looking forward for that, for everyone to be for the feast for the next year. And thanks for the love again and the support that you all have done. And for now, before we finish, we're going to give the shout out as we've not given a shout out for the last vlog.
So the first shout out goes to Sunny D'Souza from Mumbai.
It says Sam. It's short, abbreviated name Sam. Sunny D'Souza, Sam from Mumbai. Loves watching our vlogs and says he sends love and to Keisha and Angel. He did say in one of the comments as well that his mom watches a repeat telecast as well. Auntie, thank you so much for watching us, sending so much of love. Sunny always writes about to us. Sunny, thank you. Stay safe. God bless you.
And the second shout out goes to Lina Rodriguez.
Lina Rodriguez from Kuwait. Lina Rodriguez is my second cousin. She is in Kuwait. Lina, if you're watching, thank you so much for writing. It's been years and years far away we have met. Kiddos might have been grown up very big. She's got 2 kids. Sending love for them and for you and your family. Thank you for writing so much. Stay safe and God bless you, Lina.
The third shout out goes to Melly Fernandez.
Melly Fernandez, yes, she says lovely message, love for Keisha and Angel. Lovely voice.
Keisha's voice.
She loves Keisha's voice. She said the early morning, like when she watched, I think so the first voice which came out on the vlog was Keisha was playing. So Melly really liked it, made her day, like I think so. So Melly, thank you so much for showing your love so much for my kids and for us. God bless you.
The fourth shout out goes to Insta for Fun 829.
Yeah, in that lot we just picked up, it says Insta for Fun 829. It has no name, but Insta for Fun, you probably might be one of the YouTubers or what, I don't know. But thank you for writing and loving our vlogs. You said that you really love watching our vlogs. It's very exciting. Thank you. In future, when you send us a message or you put a comment, please do write your name so we know who you are, so that we can recognize and we can, if a shout out comes, we can say your name.
The fifth shout out goes to Severina Vaz.
So Severina Vaz, thank you so much for showing your love for my family, my kids. God bless you, stay safe, and God bless your family. So here we are at the end of this vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this vlog the way how we have made it. All credit goes to Nadia because the lovely editing that she does. Honestly, without her, I am nothing. I always tell her, because without her, I'm nothing. So friends, yes, this is what I'm saying. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this vlog, and thank you for showing your love and respect for us all the time that you have always given. Before we end this vlog, our final word to say, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.